Welcome math explorers. Let's solve this step by step. The question asks, what fraction of 225 centimeters is 150 millimeters? First, both measurements must be in the same unit. Since 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter, we change 225 centimeters into millimeters by multiplying by 10. When multiplying by tens, hundreds, thousands, and tens of thousands, the rule is we just add the zeros to our answer. That gives us 2,250 millimeters. Now we compare 150 millimeters to 2,250 millimeters by writing the fraction 150 over 2,250. Next, we simplify the fraction. Both zeros can be crossed out, leaving us with 15 over 225. Now we say, 15 into 15, 1, and 15 into 225 is 15. Giving us our answer 1 over 15. Great job! Always remember to convert measurements to the same unit before comparing them. Keep learning with Kips Academy.